Hello everyone, my name is Devashish Padi. So this is the ongoing series of your Java. Today we will discuss the difference between C, C++ and Java. What is the main difference between C, C++ and Java? So let us start today's topic. What is the difference between C, C++ and Java? So C is developed in the year 1971. C++ was developed in the year 1979 and Java was developed in 1991. Then C is developed by Dennis Ritchie. C++ is developed by Janus Strostrup and Java is developed by James Gosling. Then before the C language, the previous language was BCPL language, Beginners All Purpose Common Code. Previous language of C++ is C language. Previous language of Java is syntax of C and some concept of your C++. C follows procedural oriented programming language, procedural concept. That means main importance is given to the functions rather than data. In C programming, main importance is always goes to the function rather than data. C++ is object oriented programming language and Java is also an object oriented programming language. Then if we compare the platform dependency, C is platform dependent, C++ is also platform dependent, Java is platform independent programming language. So what is the meaning of platform dependency and platform independent programming language? Independent of the platform means operating system and processor. If a language runs on every platform, then that is known as platform independent. Again I am telling, if my program runs on every platform, then that is known as platform independent. That means if I am creating a program in Intel processor and Windows operating system, if that program runs in Pentium processor and Unix operating system, then that is known as platform independent programming language. C and C++ programming language are platform dependent programming language. On the other hand, Java is called as platform independent programming language. Okay, always remember Java is platform independent programming language. Due to the platform independent nature, Java is used on the internet. Okay, then if I compare the keywords of the three languages, C supports 32 keywords, C++ supports 63 keywords and Java supports 53 keywords. Among the 53 keywords, 2 are unused keywords that are known as go-to keywords and const keyword. We have already discussed that things. If I compare the union and structure concept, C supports union and structure, C++ supports union and structure, Java does not support union and structure. Okay. If I compare the preprocessor directive, according to the preprocessor directive means the lines which starts from hash symbol, hash include, hash define, hash if, hash and if. These are known as preprocessor symbols. So preprocessor supports in C and C++, but preprocessors are not supported in Java programming language. If I compare in terms of header files, C supports header file like hash include, stdio.h, conio.h, math.h. These things are supported in C programming language. C++ also supports the header files like your iostream.h, fstring.h. Okay, these things are supported in C++. But Java does not support header files. Instead of header files, Java uses package concept. What is generally package? Package is nothing but group of classes and interfaces. Okay, and these packages, these classes and interfaces are imported to the program by the help of import statement. Okay, we will discuss what is import statement and what is package. Then if I see in terms of inheritance concept, C does not support any type of inheritance. C++ support inheritance, Java also support inheritance, but multiple inheritance is not supported by Java. Always remember, Java supports inheritance, but multiple inheritance is not supported in Java. Okay, overloading concept is not supported in C. C++ support overloading, Java also supports overloading, but operator overloading is not supported in Java. Okay, if I see in terms of pointer concept, C and C++ supports pointer, but Java does not have any pointer concept, because pointer concept creates lot of confusion to the programmer. So Java people totally eliminate this pointer concept from Java. Next, if I consider storage allocation in C programming, if I allocate memory dynamic, then I can use malloc and calloc, and to free this allocated memory I can use the free function. In C++, if I can allocate memory dynamically, then I can use the operator as new. If I can want to deallocate the memory, I can use delete. But Java does not support the deallocation of memory. Deallocation of memory automatically done by the help of garbage collector. Okay, we will discuss this concept. Next, if I see in terms of SS specifier, C does not support any type of SS specifier. C++ supports 3 SS specifier: private, public and protected. Java supports 4 SS specifier: private, public, protected and default. Then if I see the constructor and destructor concept, in C no constructor and destructor is present. C++ supports both constructor and destructor. Java only support constructor, does not support destructor. Okay, then goto keyword is present in C and C++, but Java does not support goto keyword. If I use goto keyword, then compiler will give an error message. Okay, so this is the end of your C difference between C, C++ and Java. Thank you.